जाना पहचाना एक मूवी स्टार और उसका ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड फिल्में बनाने का तरीका। पक्के घड़े पर लेके मिट्टी चढ़ाने के लिए जब फिल्म मेकर्स आते हैं ना, Hey all, my name is Acharita. Welcome to my channel, जहाँ पे मेरे रिव्यूज, इंटरव्यूज इत्यादि सब मिलेंगे. If you're a subscriber, thank you. और अगर आप नए आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब का बटन जो रेड वाला है नीचे प्रेस करके जाइएगा. Today we're talking about Anubhuti Kashyap's Dr. G, starring Ayushmann Khurrana, Shiva Chadda, Shefali Shah, Rakul Preet Singh in the lead roles.
आपकी गलती की वजह से वो लड़की मर सकती थी. You've committed a crime.
कोशिश करते रहिए, बच्चा जरूर होगा.
MBBS graduate Uday's hand is forced when gynecology में residency is the only feasible option available to him, a field he looks down upon as not quite masculine enough. Gradually though, because this is an Ayushmann Khurrana Hindi film, he learns the error of his ways, character की internal journey complete. Story and screenplay writer Saurabh Bharat, Vishal Wagh, dialogue and screenplay writer Sumit Saxena, and writer-director Anubhuti Kashyap खुद then धीरे-धीरे संयम से इस simple point A to point Z के रास्ते को fill करते हैं with subplots and characters, leaving no gap unplugged, birthing a film, pun intended obviously, which starts off as a cute and fun little story, but by the time it crescendos, it's turned into a thriller. The genre is subverted. New expectations are quickly created and simultaneously fulfilled in a way only assured and convinced storytellers can. Like the process of carrying and bringing a child into this world, the final, most painful moments when things are getting real are the darkest, most uncertain touch and go. आयुष्मान खुराना की फिल्में उनका chosen form of activism है. He's a performer who wants to use his art for social change, to make a difference, to generate conversations. Admirable pursuit, but one that needs regular overhaul. The world and its many discourses now change and evolve too rapidly for one to overlook the need to adapt your advocacy accordingly. Perhaps the actor is doing this consciously, लेकिन perhaps ये organically उनके around जो ecosystem बना है, create हुआ है, उससे हो रहा है. पर आयुष्मान खुराना now is the face of Raja Beta Sudharo Yojana. Don't get me wrong, I'm fully here for it. Raja Betas only listen to other Raja Betas, you see. So if Ayushmann is doing yet another film where he sits annoyed at a dining table as his mother serves him food as a method to pull his audience in and gain their trust, so be it. Sure, इधर भी एक बार फिर से he's a guy जिसकी life day one से inconvenient है. He's convinced no one around him understands him as he schemes and plots to make things better and get out of situations and sets about changing his world. He realizes the actual insecurities within him, and when he changes, the world changes with him. He's played this part before and has convinced us for many years that he does this best. This conviction in his viewers and fans also makes him believable as a mid-20s MBBS graduate. ठीक है.
फीमेल डॉक्टर प्रेफर करते हैं.
मेल फीमेल क्या होता है? डॉक्टर डॉक्टर होता है.
पेशेंट जैसा नहीं सोचते ना.
पहले आप तो ऐसा सोचे.
The actor now perhaps has also wisened up to the fact that 2022 में men solving women's issues by themselves is not a good look. Anubhuti Kashyap and her mini phalanx of writers create a world around the lead character Uday full of female role models जो unfortunately Raja Beta syndrome की वजह से he's barely paid attention to. A weekly staple now, Shiva Chadda is pitch perfect as Uday की single mother जो lifelong wait करती रही कि कभी ये इकलौती संतान अपनी life शुरू करेगी and she will get to explore who she is as a person. It's a very moving study of mothers who grew up in a different era but are now finding themselves in a world where they have options. The trepidation to dare to pick an option, romantic gastric sartorial. If we pay enough attention to our mothers, we can chart a timeline is evolution key. Shefali Shah is the gynae department's HOD, a woman on the opposite side of the being able to make a choice spectrum, who in a position of power still finds herself at loggerheads with this man who looks down upon her entire profession. She's made her peace with the most negative connotations of the word bossy associated with her. She has many tricks up her sleeve to make her way in a man's world. At this point, I just want to see a Barb and Star go to Vista Del Mar type adventure absurdist comedy starring Shefali Shah and Shiva Chadda, two of the finest we have right now. Dr. G might be the first mainstream Hindi film, correct me if I'm wrong, which shows an umbilical cord being cut, a baby emerging from a vagina covered in all kinds of that magic stuff, a nurse making a good-natured joke about a woman pooping on the delivery table as a male doctor doesn't even bat an eyelid. For a movie which is about pregnancy and bringing people into the world, thankfully, Dr. G also doesn't fall into the trap of एक औरत की destiny है माँ बनना, which movies like Mimi and even Badhai Ho to an extent could be faulted for. If anything, this is a bit of a warning about how not pretty the process is. Motherhood can be fulfilling for someone, unwelcome for someone, and meh for some others. A happy pregnant doctor, a confused single mother, a devastated pregnant teen, a woman almost robotic about pregnancy and birth. People who have the biological ability to incubate life come in all shapes, sizes and emotional ranges in this universe.
जब से डॉक्टर नंदिनी से ये लेक्चर मिला है ना मेल टच पे, तब से मेरे निप्पल से दूध आने लगा है.
Rakulpreet Singh this time gets an arc slightly above pretty love interest. A ridiculous hypersexualized closing number aside, her as Dr. Fatima Siddiqui teaches Uday a lesson most progressive men need in their lives. Without giving much away, I hope dude bros going in to watch this film who will be paying extra attention to Dr. Fatima because she's stunning, perhaps for once in their lives figure out what they're doing wrong when trying to court and woo people. Uday in Dr. G, by his own admission, is the antithesis of Kabir Singh. Or so he believes. He walks into a room full of female doctors and in his head they're all looking at his body, because he's a nice guy. He's doomed to finish last. He's convinced the world is rigged against his happiness. But as the Puneet Sharma, Amit Trivedi, Altamash Faridi song says in the background, Newton ek din seb girega, the penny still hasn't quite dropped. To be an actual ally, a real fixer of wrongs, stop talking. Take a step back, assess your privilege and others you've enabled. Will this realization dawn and how? Film देख कर आओ, theaters में लग गई है.
क्या हो रहा?
चेकअप कर रहा हूँ.
हरामखोर तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मेरी बीवी के साथ?
पागल हो गया क्या तू?
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Dr. G is one scene, na, the movie can't help itself. An Ayushmann Khurrana song plays at a restaurant he's eating at. A reminder कि है ये movie star ही जिसकी picture देख रहे हो आप. I'm not saying I'm a star mar or anything होगा, but I do have 3 reviews out this week. Chalo Show, this one and Codename Tiranga. You guys, you have to watch my Codename Tiranga review. Please subscribe कर लीजिए, notification यही मिल जाएगी. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.